in this window chat box, and whenever I put in somebody out, yes, I need everybody to participate. We are touching 50 numbers. That's JC, Mysore Royal City, the Royals. Okay. And of course, my Sher ke baches, as I would call the junior JCs. Important point is, just I wanted to have a gist of, okay, before I begin, okay, I asked you for certain supplies. I had asked you to get in A4 sheets like these, A4 sheets or printing sheets. If you do not have these sheets, just grab some sheets from a book, okay. And I asked you for some colors. It could be sketch pen, or it could be markers, or pencils. All I needed was some colors. Okay, we are going to, in fact, color a lot of stuff today. All I needed is different colors, and I had asked you for a book or a pad to write and a pen to write. So I assume everybody has got. And of course, I asked for water bottle. Okay. Why water bottle? Very important, so that we are going to have some tough time. A lot of work happening here. So in case, I definitely am sure you will require water also to hydrate yourself in between. Hydration is very important, and this is how it is. So if you are ready, type in ready so that I move in further. Are you ready? If you're ready, type in ready. Yes. Okay. Quick, everybody. Okay. Is there anybody outside of Mysuru present in this webinar today? If you are, please type in the name of your city so that I know if there is somebody from other than Mysuru. Nammuru, Mysuru, yes, there are lots of it, I assume. Okay, we have people from Bangalore. Yes, anybody else from any other city? Just type in your city, except for Mysore. Mysore city is the host today. Chennai, welcome Chennai, welcome Bangalore. Bangalore Garden City, that's nice. Beautiful. This is what I like in JCI, okay. We all like a small family. Anybody who's facing difficulty with an audio, my request is switch off and log in again so that you will be able to hear my voice. Just because others are able to hear, one or two people, this could be a technical issue. I request and suggest you people, please log off and log in again so that we continue. Okay. What are you going to learn in here today? Like what is in there for me? Why should you be watching this video? Why you should be watching this live webinar, in fact. Okay. Three things that is going to happen. The first point is, how to plan for success. Okay. How many of you actually feel that success comes only when you plan? You should plan your success. Without plan, it will go wayward. How many of you think planning is important? If you think so, type in plan. 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 Once again, requesting you people, if you are not able to hear sound problem, please log off and log in again. So, re-log into the system so that it will be clearer. Yes, others. I want answers from everybody, from Chennai, from Bangalore, from Mysuru. Everybody needs to answer. Okay. That's beautiful. Pretty much everybody believes in planning. And this is precisely, I'm going to give you a step-by-step process today in the next 90 minutes, okay, as to how to plan for your success. Let me tell you, planning is important. It could vary with, yes, hard work with hard work. There are so many things. There are so many things which are involved, but it all begins with planning. You need to browser. There is a link. Okay, small correction. There is a link which has been sent to you. Email would have come to you asking you to click on or join now. Please use that button. That is better. The link that we have sent, you don't have to download. Just click on that button and you will automatically come into this stuff. Browser, BROWSER, browser. Okay. Yeah. And then, of course, a very important agenda point, to plan, the planning begins with actually what do you want? Yeah. What do you want? And that what do you want is all about mission statement. Okay. How many of you have heard, organizations have, big organizations have mission statement? If you have heard, type in yes over here. Why yes? Yes. Come on, millennials. My JCA rock stars. Yes, definitely hard work is important. Without hard work, nothing will work. Yes, beautiful. I like you people, participating into this stuff. Mission statement. One thing I want to tell you is if you want to be in the top notch of this world, perhaps what is called as the top 1% of this world, what is very important is first having a mission, purpose. What? Simply put, if I were to use a simple word, it's called what do you want? What do you want from life? And that is what is called as a mission statement. It's all about what, okay? It's all about what do you want, okay? And this is mission statement. And let me tell you, today you people, by joining into this in this webinar, you have already become part of that 1% club in this world who believe that, who understand that even individuals like you and me, irrespective of the age, whether you're 10 years, 12 years, 18 years, 20 years, or 45 years like me, okay, any individual, they need to have a mission at any given point of time. Okay. Okay, if you people can hear me clear, just write clear over here so that I understand. I think a few people are facing problem. We just have to understand. Clear, can you hear me clear? Yes. Very, very quickly, everybody. Very quickly, yeah. Okay, one not clear, two not clear. Everybody clear. If you're clear, just type in clear, clear, clear. Fast, fast, fast. So that we don't waste our time into the technical aspect. We'll figure out. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Pretty much I understand 80-90% are clear. Once again, I'll request if it's not clear, please log out and log in again through the browser that I've sent through the link which has come to you in WhatsApp or whatever. Okay, so let's proceed. And then, by this virtue, you have joined in the top 1% population of this world. And I would take one step further. It's not even 1%, it's 0.1% population of this world, because only those people have mission statement. What the good news is? The good news is nobody cares, or it is not relevant or not important how powerful or how grammatically correct your mission statement is. The important point is, do you have a mission statement written by you? Okay, written by you. That is you owning a mission statement. If you have, I think that is beautiful. And coming to point number, the third point is vision board. The third point, this is my favorite vision board. I will take you through something very, very amazing, and I will prove it to you how this vision board, again, this is an international concept. Not everybody has a vision board. People today you will be having this vision board, and this is what takes you to the top notch, because vision board is all about to what extent you want to go in your life. And I'm telling you, stay till the end, because after this, I will be offering you a free gift. This is from our side, totally free of cost, provided you are there, because I'll be offering it in the end. So I believe good to go. Is it okay if I share something from my personal life, since we are going to spend some time together? So is it okay if I use share something from my personal life? If it's okay, type in okay over here, please. Okay, everybody. I need everybody. Your thumb or fingers on the mobile or laptop keypad. Yes, you guys are super fast. You guys are super fast. That is what I like, Youngistan. Okay. Important point. One more thing is, whenever you feel like, please hydrate yourself. A lot of you, I believe, want to become public speakers. Okay. If you want to become public speaker, type in PS over here very quickly. PS. Because in this seminar, I am also going to give you small tips which is going to make a huge difference, which I learned from my international masters. These may seem to be very small but very powerful, which has made me today take sessions for 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, 2 days. When we do Beyond Books, we go in at a stretch for 2 days and 3 days. We go non-stop. Beautiful. Okay, I thought so, because JCI is an organization which creates impact in the society through its public speakers. I am one of the products of JCI. Okay, I'm very proud to say that I was part of Bangalore Garden City. I have come to your Mysore Royal City also, and I have visited all across India. So before I speak about myself and go into that, I just want to take this opportunity. Okay, there are a few people who have put in a lot of efforts, and I always believe this. So I just want to begin with thanking JC Asha ji, amazing person that she is. Okay, a lioness. Okay, Sherni, what we call. She is the president of JCI Mysore Royal City. So thank you so much, Asha ji, for being part of this entire movement. And of course, Aarti. Okay, Junior JC Aarti. She is amazing. She is the chairperson of Junior JCs, Sanjana, and then of course Anmol Bhai. Anmol Bhaiya, thank you so much. You people are amazing. It is all your efforts that has brought in around 50 plus of us together today. It's going to make a difference. Love you so much. If you also feel they have done a difference, just write clap in this chat box. Then I immediately proceed into the program. Clap, CLAP, clap. We can't do. So this is a virtual clap that we will show our gratitude to these amazing people. Yes, clap. Yeah. I want everybody to do that. Yeah. Never miss out on expressing your gratitude to people. Always. Yes. Very quickly. Okay. Thank you so much. Now, coming to my, little background about my story. Let me tell you, my childhood was no different than many of yours. To be frank with you, I was a very humble beginning. We had a very humble beginning, not much to resources available. But what I want to take you through is, when I was small, there used to be a lot of negativity around us. Okay, people would say, "Why are you doing this? This is not possible." Everything, when I try to do anything. When I try to do anything, the first, there'll be so many people who will try to say, don't do this. This is not possible. This is not your cup of tea. Some sophisticated people, they will say, this is not your cup of tea. You need to have experience. In various disguise, they will tell you so many things that actually you say, actually, no, this is not what I wanted, or is it so? They'll confuse you totally. Okay. And then the second point, okay, I still am amazed at why people do this, but they would always tell me money is the cause of all the evils in this world. Now, I would wonder why they say that. At every possible occasion, they'll say money is bad. You should not have money. And look at it. For everything that we need, we require money. You agree with me? We need money, right? If money is important, type in money over here. In your chat box very quickly, type in money, paisa, money. I want to see, are we on the same page? Okay, Do you also face all this? Yeah, it certainly is important. I want everybody to participate, please. Nobody is a mute spectator here. Everybody pulls in, everybody jumps in. This is not a one-sided mechanism. Everybody participate. Oh, money, why? Oh, I'm with you. Okay, and I would not understand. Everybody at every drop of a simple coin, they'll say paisa is bad, paisa is bad. This is a different story how I handle it, but this is what I have gone through. And third point is, whenever Neil, I love you, money. Okay, whenever I would think of something, I would say, wow, I am going to go on a world tour. There will be people who laugh at me. Okay. Okay. What I would understand is, the moment you start thinking a little bigger, beyond, people will say, this is not possible. And they will say, jitta chadar utna pair phailana, nahi, apne khandan mein nobody's done this. This is never possible. And, these kind of stuff. How many of you agree with me when I'm saying all this stuff? This also happens with, if you agree with me, type in agree over here, so that I understand the world has not changed much. Okay, everybody's pretty much that same lifestyle, same kind of event today. Okay, and what I started doing was I started attending programs, and I attended a lot of workshops, a lot of, right from my childhood. Now what I understood was, majority of the workshops that I went, I would be bored to death. There'll be somebody will come, will give gyan. Okay, and then I would get kind of jittery, and that is when I decided, okay, I used to start imagining what I'll do is, I will have a session where there are thousands of people sitting, and everybody's laughing around me. I do not want any serious person sitting around me. People, if you have seen me, any one of you who's attended any of my training programs or seen me, you will understand this is what I'm living today. I make my audience laugh, enjoy, celebrate, and of course, learning happens. This is what I believe in. Probably that is where it started coming in from. Okay, I'm already doing, but I want to share one more instance which changed the way I look at life. It was my 9th standard. I was in my 9th standard. I studied in kind of government aided school. Now my school, in my school, what used to happen was, the people used to be very excited students. Now understand this, even if the teacher is there would be a lot of excitement in the class, where students will shh, or oh, all that. Even if teacher is there, many times we used to do is, this is what I call excitement. And I was in my 9th class, and it was the science. I love science. Okay, so I used to be one amongst the top ranked students. Our sir used to say, if you people want to study, okay, you'll come and sit in the front and not give excuse. Okay, otherwise when you enter, is this a fish market, they will first tell us, and we would all say, no sir, not a fish market. But well, this is how it used to be. So what we did was, some 8-10 of us ranked students, we would go and sit in the passage in front of sir. Now there used to be a table. Okay, just imagine a classroom where there is a table. Sir is sitting. Iyer sir, his name was Mr. Iyer. Iyer sir would sit. He was a science teacher, and we will be sitting. And literally every class, he would tell the others. He'll give our example. Look at these fellows, huh? Nice, such a nice fellows. You should all learn from them. And one of those classes, I was sitting, and what science means experiment, right? R&D, research and development, and experiment and all that stuff. So I used to think a lot, and one of those, sitting down, you can't see sir's face continuously because your neck will pain. You have to bend down. I would rather sit down. One of those days I was doing this, and I saw the feet of my sir, Iyer sir, and the laces had come out. Shoelace came out. Okay. Shoelace had come out. What I did was, I was just thinking, science means experiment, thinking, and all this stuff. So my mind ventured somewhere, and suddenly a thought came. Okay, don't judge me, guys. I am very decent fellow. Okay, I'm a decent person, very nice, all that stuff. What happened was my mind said, what will happen if these two laces intertwine with each other like this? What will happen? I was ninth standard, science classroom. So I thought that way, and my friend sitting next to me, he saw me in intense, very intense. He did this to me with his, elbow like this, and he asked like this. I looked at him, gave him a smile, and we had small chat. Now this is what I like in teenagers. Okay, teenagers are sorry for my word, but I always use this word. I love to use this word. Teenagers are kick-ass smart guys. Okay, very smart guys. Telepathy. You want to learn telepathy? Learn it from teenagers, especially class fellows. Okay. So he looked at me. I looked at him. I don't know how, but he read my mind. I told him something. Okay, some conversation happened, and guess what? As am I thinking, I suddenly got scared. You know why? Because I saw my friend tying the lace of Ayer's shoes. He tied loose shoes, and I was like, dub, 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 dub. I was like, my God, what have you done? All that stuff, because the bell was about to ring, and before I could think, bell rang. Iyer sir, as usually, got up, and that day the difference was, dada. He fell down when he tried to walk. Now, don't ask me, sir, what happened after that, how you were reprimanded, and all the stuff. I went through all what I had to go through because I did something wrong. Not that it can be justified. But important point that day, what I learned was I can influence people. How many of you understand this? That each one of us can influence people. How many of you understand? If you understand, say yes, yes in the chat box. Yeah. Do you believe you can influence people? Now, don't ask me what happened after that. That's a painful story. Okay, the parents, call parents, all that stuff. But that big lesson, very big lesson of my life, I learned that day. And that was, you can influence people. And I can already tell you, irrespective of your age, no matter what your age is, I can tell you, you already have influence on people. It could be few people, it could be many people, but you people definitely have influence on people. And let me tell you, let me show you, this influence is very important. This word, influence people, this is very crucial for success in life. Okay. Why I am telling you is, I learned this influencing people, whether it is social success or commercial success, people play a very important role. If you think people play an important role, type people over here very quickly. Type P, only alphabet P over here, or people, whichever, fast, very quickly. So I understand we all are on the same page, and I quickly jump into what I'm wanting to do here. Yes, very quickly, that you need to. Yes, everybody, don't worry about the spelling. Okay, I'm not going to judge you by your spelling. Okay. P, okay. Influence people. And guess what? I just want to show you a clipping of 23 seconds to you, which will, show you something. Just watch this clip. This is only 24 seconds. Watch this and then I'll tell you. You will see me. If you can see me, type in C over here. S-E-C or C. Very quickly, everybody, and keep watching the video. It took me half an hour to 40 minutes to climb down the steps, to just get down from the podium. 30 minutes to 40 minutes. And this is influence I'm talking about. How many of you want an influence like this? If you want, type in I over here, and then I will teach you how to get that, where it all begins. If you want, I type I. I want everybody typing in I. Even if you don't like, type in, because in life, success comes with people and people come with influence, period. And that is when what I'm saying is, if you want to influence, first thing is plan your life. You need to plan. Okay, I've already discussed this. Planning is very, very crucial. And today is the beginning of your life plan, where I'll be teaching you two of the most crucial and important things, which I can assure you 99% of the people don't even know or understand. In fact, if you're studying in a school or a college, let me tell you, you will be the person who perhaps will have the privilege of only you knowing it in your entire class or entire school. I can assure you of that. Okay. So, and second point is why now? Okay, guys, one thing I want to tell you is very, very simply put, I just want to give you an answer because I do not have time here to go through, the entire stuff. But what I want to tell you is today, the way India is, the way the world is looking towards India is unprecedented. It has never happened in the past. Two, India is in a position where India is able to stop war between people, between nations, between groups, and evacuate its people and bring them back. Have you heard that story? Year or 2 years back, India, stopped a war and brought its people. This is the power. And you know what is the biggest power of India? You guys, the youth, the teenagers, the youth or the teenagers. Okay, what I want to tell you is you are the biggest strength, you are the biggest power of this country, and that is why for the next 5 to 10 years, next 3 decades belong to India, 3 to 4 decades belong to India. India will be on the top, and you people will be the movers and shakers, because it is going to be, next 5 to 10 years, your life is going to shape, and you are going to be in a position of making a difference to yourself and to the world. And that is why we are sitting here today to plan up, to start now. So if you are ready, type in start. Okay, let's go, start. Let's go and type in start. Everybody type in start. I want your involvement. I want you to get involved. Yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You guys are flooding the chat box. Okay, and here we go straight away into this mission statement. Friends, let me tell you, mission statement is in 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts. First part, second part, and third part. Now listen, I have learned this from international masters, and I have brought it down to the level of teenagers, to school students, to college students. Why? Because I believe you need to start early. You need to start early in your life. And I believe early start makes all the difference. The program that you are sitting, it is available online also for a price. Here you need to thank your LOM, JCI Mysore Royal City, for having arranged this for you. It has taken care of everything which needs to be taken care, and it has done this for you people. Okay, mission statement. Now first thing what I want you people to do is take out your pads. I asked you for a pad, right? Letter pad or book and a pen. Now take it out. Okay, because from now onwards, for next 1 hour, it's going to be very, very intense. It is going to be all about you. It is all about you. It's not about me. It's not about Gyan. It's not about anything. It's about you. Okay. Now, first thing what you need to do is, okay, I have written few words. Okay. Now select 1 to 2 words from this. Select 1 to 2 words from this, what you see: inspire, motivate, help, lead, support, utilize, teach, advise, assist, change, generate, involve, encourage, empower. Just select one or two words you select, okay, and write it down in your book. 1 or 2 words only. Do not write everything. I'll give you 1 minute, okay, because this is important. How you do is just keep reading, whichever you feel like wow, write it down. Don't worry about you making statement, don't worry about all that, don't worry about anything. Just write one or two words, select one or two words and write it in your book. Yeah, write it down, write it down. If you have done, type done over here. If you have finished, type done. Very quickly, fast, fast. This shouldn't take time. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you is don't think too much. Today, don't use your minds a lot. I'm telling you, don't use your brains a lot. Give them a chutti. Saturday, let them rest. All I want you is just be in the flow. Just follow what I'm telling you and flow. Simply flow. I didn't say which are the most important words or which are whatever. I just said wherever you feel like wow, write down that word. Simple. And I am telling you, this is very, very powerful. Today, what we are doing is very powerful. We do it for grown-ups, for CEOs and people of that level. I am doing it for you. Okay, because I deal in teenagers, we do a lot of workshops, and within those workshops I train children into this. In fact, I had come to Mysuru also. We trained a few students in Mysuru. But if you are finished, I will go further. Okay, very quickly. Don't give me the word, keep it for yourself. Okay, but I go to the next. Now first, I do, this is what I want to do. Now second is, whom do you want to assist? Who do I assist? Okay, now here, pick any one. Important point is pick any one. People in general, it could be people at large, all the people. Okay, it could be yes, or a specific group of people. It could be women, it could be youth, it could be youngsters, girls, business owners, teenagers, poor, hungry, disabled, elderly, orphans, depressed. It could be student community. It could be all the students in Mysore. It could be Mysoreans. It could be people from Karnataka. It could be Kannadigas. It could be South Indians. It could be North Indians. It could be Africans. It could be Germans. It could be anybody. Choose. You choose what you want. It could be, elders. Choice is yours. Choose. It could be animals. It could be birds. It could be insects. It could be trees. It could be water. It could be anything. Others means anything what you choose. But who do you assist? Who do you assist? That's very important. Choice is yours. If you're done, type done over here very fast. This should not take time. I can tell you, vision is not at all a time consuming if it's done in the right way. And today we are doing the right way. Okay. Yes. Beautiful. Okay. And now I come to the third part. This is very interesting part. Value addition. Okay. Let me tell you, value addition is something where you add a value to another fellow human being or to other living creatures or living form, life form, some life form. You value add, you add value. Because what I believe is, everybody do this. Take your index finger of your right hand like this, bend it straight, see the bend, turn it like this, bring it close to your nostrils, below your nostrils. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Don't stop breathing. Okay, breathe. If you felt warm over here, if you felt heat over here, that means you should add value. This is why you exist in this universe. It is a very simple exercise. That means if you are living, you need to keep adding value. I remember my dad telling me when I was small that value addition is not just in terms of money. Money is one aspect, but you need to add value constantly, consistently, whatever. Okay. Now, this is what, if you have written already, let me share my vision statement, mission statement with you so that this will be easy for you to understand. Okay. And here it comes. If you can see the pointer, can you see the pointer here? If you can type Y over here. Yes, Y, yes. So that I know you are seeing, because I'll take 2 minutes to explain this. If you people can see the pointer here on the chart, type in Y very quickly. Yes. Oh, you people can see. You people can see any needle in a haystack. I can tell you. That's why I love the youth. Okay. See, this is my mission statement, which I did around 14 months back. Okay. Last January, I did this. Now, I will read it to you just to show how it is done. I told you two words. Okay. I took one or two words. So I took to inspire and motivate. The next slide was who do I do for? Here I've written people. So I inspire and motivate people. And what is that value addition? Okay. Now, in my case, what I have written is to broaden their horizon and realize a better and beautiful version of themselves. This is my value addition. See, I'm into business. I'm a career person. So I have taken it a little, detailed. If you were to write it as youngsters, as youth, okay, it could be to inspire and motivate people to realize a beautiful person sitting in themselves. Okay, it could be anything like this. I have written my name in the end, but you observe I have used a lot of colors, lots of colors, and some flowers also I have drawn. Okay, though they don't look like flowers, but please see it as flowers because this is the best I can do. I'm very bad at drawing, but this is what stuff is. What is important here is this is irrelevant what sense it makes for others, but does it make sense for me? And yes, certainly it makes a lot of sense for me because I have written it, I own it, and last 14 months I have been with this. I will show you one as you are doing. I will share this. I'll actually show it to you. I carry this with me. But what I want you to do is start. I will give you 5 minutes, okay? You people need to start doing this. I have written a few examples, possible mission statements. Okay, it's like the mission of my life is to help people to get not to get angry. The mission of my life is to help people live beautiful life. The mission of my life is to teach people appreciate others. The mission of my life is to empower the poor financially. The mission of my life is to save water. The mission of my life is to spread compassion towards animals. The mission of my life is to help teenagers come out of depression. The mission of my life is to assist girl child to create their identity. The mission of my life is to teach, change the mindset of business people. It could be anything. I'm just giving you examples. You don't have to copy this. I'm just giving you examples. I want it to come out from here, from your heart. Don't worry about the grammar. Don't worry, is it right or wrong? Certainly don't worry, how am I going to do it? Just make sure it is about big thing, okay? Make it much more bigger than you. I will tell you in detail subsequently, but I want you to do this in next 5 minutes, okay? Don't use too much of your mind. Let me tell you, use your heart, okay? Whatever comes, write down, okay? Write it down in your book. Okay, write it down in your book. I'm giving you 5 minutes for you to freeze on your mission statement. This is only the first draft, so good, not good, doesn't matter. Did you write it yourself is what is very, very crucial. Okay, and here your time starts now. If you have started right, start over here. Keep writing. Will somebody like it? Will somebody not like it? Doesn't matter. Beautiful part is you can write in any language: English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Rajasthani, whatever language. If you're finished, read it once again. Maybe you want to do certain changes. No copying, no helping. Do it yourself, that's all. Write down your mission statement. I've given you some examples. Only one mission statement, only one. No two, no three, no many, only one. One mission statement you need to write down. Only one. You have last 2 minutes. If you have done, type in done. Put some colors, use some colors, use some drawings, some beautiful flowers, leaves. Do something, make it colorful. Make it colorful. Don't let it be white. Some color, underlining, whatever you want to do, but make it. Yes, you need to do it on a A4 sheet. That plain sheet which I asked you to. Okay, now done? And stop. Okay. Now that you have written down your statement, what you need to do is, I will give you 3 minutes now. For people who have not written it on the A4 sheet, now take a sheet. Now this is my vision statement, mission statement, okay? What I showed you as a picture. Now this is, I'm holding this for the last 14 years and I will explain it to you later. A lot has started happening. I will, with the vision board, I will explain to you why I made you do this. This may look very simple. This may look very, easy. It is supposed to be easy because I have made it very easy. Of course, when you come into our workshop, we take 2 days and we go into depth. We dig into your mind, we dig into your heart, we bring in that connection, and then we do all this anyways. As in the 90 minutes, whatever is possible, let's do it. Okay. Now take a A4 sheet. I'll give you 3 more minutes. All you need to do is, okay, write it down beautifully on that A4 sheet. If you have not done it writing on that A4 sheet, now write it with different colors and whatever you want to do it. Show your creativity on this A4 sheet. Write your mission statement on this A4 sheet. You have 3 minutes. Let me keep a timer for you. Okay, and your time starts now. Yes, start doing it. Done already, beautiful. Add some colors. This is for people who have not done. Add some colors, just as I say it, in the layman's language, scribble the entire paper with, lighter colors so that it looks like a, beautiful 3D drawing. Do it. If you have not done it, do it. We'll give the others a time if they have not done it. Beautiful. All I want is, when you are doing this, I want your hands to go through some pain. I just want your hands to go through some pain. That is why I asked you to do it manually. I can ask you to do it in Word document also, but this is very important. Write in. Yeah. Only mission statement. Only mission. We are going through it. Last 1 minute. People have not finished. Start finishing. Yes, on A4 sheet. If you have done only mission, yes, nothing else. I only taught you mission. Be with me. Don't over jump me. Don't overshoot me. Don't go ahead of me. Be with me, because I'm going to through step by step giving you logic, reason. Yes. Start finishing. Last 30 seconds. If you're done, type in done over here. That's beautiful, guys. And stop. Thank you so much. Okay. Don't worry about how it looks. I know the moment you look at it, your mind will always say, actually, this word I can do this, or better English, or better language, or whatever you can do. Yes, certainly you can enhance a lot. But important point is, this is your first draft of your mission of your life. Congratulations. I want you to hold that mission statement in your hands like this. Okay. Just look at it. I just want you to look at it and read it once or twice. And as you're reading, feel that. Yeah. Don't worry about the language. I'm not asking you to be a critic and figure out the mistakes. All I'm wanting to is feel one with your mission, the mission statement. Because today you are part of that top 0.1% of this world who have something called as a mission statement of their life. And this is a big achievement, very big achievement. And I think that deserves a huge round of applause. What one word you write down, how you are feeling when you are seeing your mission statement being the top 1% of this world population. Okay, how do you feel? Just one word if you want to type down in the chat box before I move ahead. One word. Maybe great, or whatever you feel like. Okay. Confident, yes, beautiful. Proud, yes, you need to feel proud. I need everybody writing what's the first word coming in your mind. Awesome, great, happy, whatever, enlightened, yes. One, top of the world. Yeah. Yeah. Proud, absolutely, you need to feel proud of yourself. This is what we are taught as JCs. Okay, if I am not proud of myself, who else will? Okay, yes, organized in my life, happy, beautiful. And guys, let me tell you, this is super powerful. Okay, now what I want you to do is take this mission statement, feel good, keep it aside. In fact, keep it upside down. I want you to keep it ulta like this in one side, because when we go to the next activity, I do not want you to get hangover of this. Delightful, beautiful. I do not want you to have a hangover. I want you to go to the next part. Okay, and this part is called opening your heart. Okay, not literally, don't cut open your heart. I don't mean that way. Open your heart means let loose, don't hold back your thoughts. And this next half an hour is going to be all about that. And you are going to have a free hand. All you need to do is use your heart only. Okay, only your heart. You don't have to use your minds, your brains. I've been telling you from the beginning, don't use your mind today. Use your heart, because the next activity is even more powerful. If you thought the previous one was powerful, let me tell you, this is going to zap you. Okay, it is going to zap you, because next one is even more powerful. Now I just want to ask you people, okay, answer this in the chat box. Okay, when you know what you want, how many of you agree with me that when you know what you want, your chances of getting it becomes much higher? How many of you agree with this? When you know what you want, your chances of getting it becomes higher. If you believe, type in yes over here. Just type in yes. Yes. Oh my God, there's a flood of yes, 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 yes. Beautiful. Okay, because this is where gives us the direction. Okay, if I don't know what I want, how will I approach? How will I get it? Yeah, beautiful, guys. Amazing. By the way, I love your participation, the way you are jumping into things and making things happen, which is beautiful. Now, what I want you to do is, okay, take this paper again. Okay, your booklet now, book and paper, pen, take it. And I'm going to give you, we are going to jump into something called as, vision board. Vision board. This is very, very important. Thank you so much. Mind blowing. Certainly it is. My mind is still blown off last 14 months because of the success that I'm getting after that. I will connect all the dots in the end. And of course, your gift is also waiting. Sarvatra always believe in gifting people, whether you, there with us. We would love to gift people who are energy people, people who believe in action. I love gifting them. Here, the next what you are going to do is a simple, again, see, why I keep telling people simple is because we have made it down simple at Sarvatra. Our job is to take complex of things and make it into simple stuff. That is why people love us, and that is why Rajendra Jain, that is me, has 100% record. Okay, 100% record, and our students have gone ahead and created a lot of records. Now, before you go to the next activity, I just want to put a context to it, because here, using this methodology, there are students who have gone on and achieved a lot of stuff, lot of success. I'll mention just one of them, because one of our students, she's gone ahead and broken a record of 175 years record of her school. Yes, 175 years record, a student of 10th standard. Okay, if you think that is amazing, type amazing or wow, and I will tell you what that record was. You will feel pride in her achievement. Okay, yes, you need to applaud the achievement of people. That is when we also, our internal stuff wants achievement, so that we also want applaud. Type in wow, type in amazing, whatever you feel like. Clap. Yes. Okay, she went ahead. She studied in a Kannada medium school here in Bangalore, Mitralaya Girls School. She is part of the Kannada section. There are two, groups there. One is the English group, one is the Kannada group. That is the medium of instructions. She is part of Namma Kannada group. Okay, why Namma is because we are Kannadigas, so they love Namma Karnadu and Kannada language. So she was part of this Kannada, medium. Guess what happens? She stands for elections. School elections, right? Becoming a leader. She stands for elections. She gives speech. She's one of our students who took training at Beyond Books. She goes, gives speeches, and guess what happens? First time in the history, 175 years history of Mitralaya Girls School. This is what the teachers told me when I met them. Her class teachers and those teachers, they told me that in the history of 175 years history of the school, this is the first time that a Kannada, girl from the Kannada medium has become the head girl of the school. Namma Kannada girl is today, the head girl, the leader of the school. Do you think that's amazing? Well, I feel that's something. And this is the power of what you're going to do next. Okay, I will ask you to be as crazy. I'll ask you to be as creative. I'll ask you to be nuts as much as you can, go wild. What you are going to do is, I'm going to give you five minutes. Okay, what you are going to do is start writing without taking the tip of your pen away from the paper. You will start writing what all you have ever wanted to achieve in your life. Everything. It could be, going to the moon. It could be going into deep Indian Ocean. It could be becoming a pilot. It could be, being a politician. It could be the best doctor. It could be, if you're getting the top student of the school. It could be, if you want to do CA, all India rank, 5th rank, 10th rank, 1st rank of CA. It could be anything. But what I want you to do is, no, not on A4 sheet. This is on this sheet, book, in the book or pad. Okay. What all crazy stuff you can write. But I want you to write down something for, your family, how your relationship with your family should be. Something in terms of money, in terms of business, how much money you want. Something about your, maybe a bungalow, a house, something about your school, your academics, what you want to achieve in academics. Something about your career. Maybe a lot of you told you want to be public speakers. So something about that, where you want to change millions of lives. Maybe you want to become authors. Okay. By the way, we have got 15 authors in Sarvatra, youngest authors of the world from Sarvatra here. This is all this exercise which I'm asking you to do it. This is in a book here, writing pad, not A4 sheet. Don't write it in A4 sheet. 5 minutes first, write as much as you can, scribble in your book. Okay, and your time starts now. Start writing. Start writing. I've given you 5 minutes. You'll utilize the entire 5 minutes. No looking up. Your eyes will be glued into the paper. All you ever wanted to achieve. It could be world tour, going to Disneyland. Or don't write going to Goa. I want you to think really big. What all you are passionate about, write down. Write down. Some crazy stuff. Maybe you want to open 50 hotels or 100 schools across India. You want to be the Prime Minister. I don't know what. Write down. Simply write down whatever you feel like. Maybe you want to be the world president of JCI. Write down. These are things you should. Maybe the best JC award of the world, best JC of the world, junior JC of the world. I want you to simply write down whatever you can. Dig deeper into your heart. Include something in terms of spirituality. Something about leadership. Let there be something about business, about money, about your dreams, about your passion. No done here till I tell you to stop. You will keep writing 20, 30, 40, 50 things. Keep writing.
so excited just from the
Keep writing. As you are writing, feel for it. If you are feeling emotional, it's okay. People who told you not possible, you want to be a very big model, you want to be a very big person, write down. You want to be an actor, write down. You want to be the best trainer of this country, write down. You want to be the best trainer of the world, write down. You want to work for a cause, write down. Write down, write down. Last 1 minute. As many as you can. Till I tell you to stop, you will continue writing, continue writing. Feel what you are writing. Have fun, be vulnerable. Don't let your mind stop your heart. No, no, don't. Not possible. Write, write, write. Keep writing. Keep writing. Your job is only writing, 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 writing. Write, write. That's all. Don't take your head up. Don't type anything in the chat. Yeah. Last 20 seconds. Start finishing. And stop. Okay. I know it's difficult writing, but there is a methodology of doing it. And now I come to the next part. Okay. Before that, I want to share my vision board. Is it okay if I share my vision board to you people so that you understand how it is supposed to be done? Okay. It's okay. Type in yes in the chat box. Very quickly, type in yes in the chat box. Okay. Because I promise you are going to laugh when you look at it. But this is the best I could do. And here it comes. Okay. This is supposed to be a drawing. Now what we do is, as the next step is, what all you have written in this pad, okay, what all you have written, scribbled here, okay, you need to put it in a sheet of A4 sheet. You will take a new A4 sheet, okay, A4 sheet, and then you will start drawing, putting pictures, pictorially representing what you have written. I'll tell you why we do this. First, you have thought about it before writing, right? It's there in your heart, it's there in your mind. That is when your hands, it comes out of your hand. You have written, and then now that physical work is also done. Now I wanted to come in pictorial representation, which is called pictogram, or pictures representation. Now 14 months back, I did my there is a reason why I want to show my vision board. There is a reason behind this, why I show this. Okay, if you observe, this is you can see the pointer right here. Don't laugh. I told you this is the best I could do. This is my best drawing. I can't do better than this. Perhaps I'll have to go to some sir to learn. Yes. Now I want to guide you people. Okay. If you look at top and left corner, you can see the cursor over there. Okay. Pointer. Yeah. This is, globe. I've written Earth. This is the best I could do. And you see, this is houseful written here, 250. Guess what? This is actually, we do a program called Beyond Books, leadership program for teenagers. A very famous award-winning program. Now we are doing it for 30 people. That's what we have gone, 30, 32. That's the size. Now I want to take it to the next level for say 250 people. This is the first time a thought came when I was doing this exercise. Okay. And guess what happens? Last last 4 or 5 days, last 1 week, I have done 3 seminars like this, webinars we are doing, and we have already crossed more than 250 people in those 3 webinars. Okay, before this I never did it. Okay, I want you to focus over here. Jito is written over here. Okay, Jito. Now this before writing this, I never thought of I could do programs for Jito. I wrote it here, and guess what happens after writing it here? Last 14 months back I wrote this. In last 6 months I have done programs in 8 Jito chapters across India, and now we are in discussion with chapters across the globe. We are going outside India also. You can see these aeroplanes, which is indicator I want to go out. This is so, if this is indication, this is where it is going to. You see this small circle over here in the center, there is India flag, there is PM means prime minister, FM means finance minister, there is army, navy, air force, there are ministers, and I am hosting the national flag. Yes, people call me mad, people call me crazy, because the way I train people, this is the craziness that I have. But let me tell you, this I did 14 months back. Before that, I was never in touch of any politician for training or stuff. But let me tell you, now last October, April, May, this April, May, we received inquiries from sitting members of parliament, and one of them happens to be the MP from Mysuru. I've received an inquiry from a member of parliament, politician. That means I'm going in that direction. This is the power I'm talking about. You see this book over here. I'll just explain one more point. When I was challenged, okay, I drew this book because I wanted to be an author. Before writing this, 2 years I started my book, not yet over. After writing this, my book is already complete. It's complete and already edited, WordPress, everything done. It's just waiting to be launched. Because of the lockdown, it's not being launched. Next 1 or 2 months I will launch that book. My second book draft is ready, 50 ways of creating pocket money for teenagers. And guess what? Third book, I told you about 15 of the youngest authors of the world. That book is also ready. You understand the power now? All that happened after me putting this picture. And I can just imagine if I would not have done this picture over here. Well, I can go on explaining to you different concepts. All I want you to do is draw whatever you have written here in this book. Draw it in the A4 sheet now. Color it, make it as picturesque, as colorful as possible. I'm giving you 7 minutes now for you to put it on the paper. See, there is something for the family, there is something for spirituality, there is all this stuff. So 7 minutes. Okay, 7 minutes to draw what you have written. Okay, and your time starts now. Start doing. If you have started, type in yes over here, alphabet yes, so that I understand you have started. If you have started, type yes. My only request is, don't allow your brain to come inside. And if you have got something after seeing this which you did not write, put it now into the paper. Put it, draw it, color it. Start doing it. Don't worry about how your drawing will look. I'm sure it will be better than what I have drawn. But I want you to draw it. Absolutely. Don't worry about how you draw. Remember, when you are drawing, feel it. Feel it. And in fact, I would write down what people said you can't do. I will do that only. Yes, I want to do that.
I was first on the time, running my game. That was the purpose from the mind. Now it's sharing the same dream, and our hearts can be as one.
As you are drawing, I want you to feel what you are drawing. Imagine as if that is going to be a reality today. If you draw it, it will become a reality. Just feel it and draw it.
And I get so excited just from her. Electric eyes that you can't. Passion burns it right now.
Put in.
I wasn't certain of it. That was the furthest from
Make sure you use different colors. All in one sheet only. Do it in one sheet. Squeeze it somewhere, but it has to be in one single A4 sheet. Squeeze in. That's okay. All in one sheet. Yes, you're doing a great job. Another 3 minutes. Let your hands pain. It should pain. Keep doing it. Put some crazy ideas. Last 1.5 minutes. Just do whatever you can. Scribble on that paper, color it, put some flowers, put whatever you can, but make sure there is no white space available on that sheet. You're doing great. Last 1 minute. Start finishing. Start finishing. And stop. Thank you so much. Okay. Now, just as I have my vision board, I want to show my vision board to you, which I carry with me always. I have this board with me for this simple reason. Once I have done this, when I did this, let me tell you, I was not that convinced will it happen or not. But somehow my mind started working in that direction. I started working in the direction. And today I see so many places where I am moving in that direction. I am moving towards realizing a lot of this stuff. Well, what I want you now do is hold this vision board in front of you. Irrespective of how it looks, don't get into the nitty-gritties. Yes, this drawing could have been better. I can do this better. All you need to know is this is your first attempt at a vision board. That is very important. This is very important. Okay. I want you to hold your vision board in your hand, just as I am holding my vision board in my hand. Okay, this is my vision board. Hold it and feel it. You know, there are times when I look at this board and I speak to it, kind of, not literally with the mouth, but I realize where am I moving towards. And I'm showing, I could have done a different vision board, a better one, and showed it to you. But what I believe in is, this is my vision board. Even if people don't like it, it doesn't matter, because this, if it makes sense to me, is good enough. It does not have to make sense for anybody else. This has to make sense for me. And I think this is a big senseful thing as far as I am concerned. I look at your vision board, feel your vision board. Okay. And today what you have done is, today you have stepped yourself into the elite class of people who know how to plan their success, people who have started, their journey of success. Yes, is this enough? I'm telling you, this is the beginning. This is a very big step which people often don't do. Even I am sure none of the family members in your family would have this. I'm sure people in your school may not have it, will not have it. You are the person. And I want one word. How are you feeling looking at your vision board in terms of how you feel now that you have drawn? First time you have drawn your vision board. This is your first love at your career, first love at success. I call it the first love. This is your first love to yourself. Okay. This is your first love letter to yourself, because the best love you can give yourself is success. How you feel? I want to, listen to your word, probably very nice ones. Yeah, very fast, very quickly. I want to hear everybody here. Okay, when I say here, just type it. Okay, so that I move further. Yes, you need to feel very proud. Awesome. You are awesome by doing this. This is awesome. Be a best one. Certainly you are. Now we are just shaping you. Amazing. Superb. Proud. Yes, you need to feel that way. Neil, fantastic. Certainly. Enlightened. Yes. Fun. Of course. How can you forget fun? Without fun, life is, literally in tatters. Fantabulous. Fabulous. Enjoy. Yes. Awesome and amazing. Certainly you are awesome and amazing. I want everybody to comment here. Everybody, not a single person. I can achieve my dreams and agendas. Wait till what will happen. You don't know. This is magic. Okay, this is magic. This is magic. People don't do it because they think they know everything. And I have brought it down what big CEOs do to teenagers, because what those people did after their post graduation, PhD and all, you have done in your 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 10th, 12th standard, which is beautiful. Yeah, of course, we do this in a bigger way, in a larger scale when we do our Beyond Books workshop. I certainly look forward to come to Mysuru. But before that, okay, one more small aspect is pending here. Observe how, boldly I show this to the world. I have shown it to more than thousands of people. I show this picture being very proud. Why? Because I want a bigger connection with this. And next, I'm going to gift you, okay, your gift. I'm announcing your gift. Before that, what you need to do is you need to take a picture of your vision board, whatever you have done, mission statement and vision board. Two things you have done: mission statement, what you have done in the beginning, and vision board, what you have done now. Both pictures, you will take a picture with your family members and post it on your Facebook page, and also send it to this number that I have written here. 9916477771. This number that I have written, okay, note it down, write it down. This is my number. This is your connect to me. Not just about this, you can certainly, you will send me these two pictures. Plus, apart from this, at any point of time you face any difficulty, any questions, listen, I have trained more than 2 lakh people. Majority of them are teenagers. Today I go to a lot of big organizations and school because I have 100% record. You face any difficulty, it is life, it is education, it is career, it is public speaking, whatever, this number is going to be your mantra. And I'm going to type one name here, okay? Note it down. This is called Sarvatra. Go to YouTube, there is a channel called Sarvatra. My channel is called Sarvatra. There are some amazing and powerful but simple videos, okay, for you people. If you want to be a trainer, free of cost tips is given to you. You want to make bhajans, how to make all those stuff, a lot of content is given free of cost over there. Only a thing you need to do is you need to do something. So go there and subscribe to that channel. Rest, a lot of videos will come to you. This is and the gift for you, okay? No, the YouTube connection was not a gift. Okay, that any which ways, if you want to benefit, if you want to be in the midst of some amazing people and get educated continuously, then you need to go into the YouTube and subscribe to Sarvatra. Your gift here today is, we have something called as masterminds. Once in a month we meet, and that meeting we learn something very different every time, something very powerful. I am the moderator, I take this. The classes, the subscription fee for that mastermind is 12,000 rupees. If you send me the picture, if you send me the picture of your vision board and mission statement, this gift will be yours absolutely free. Zero cost, no money, zero for you, provided you send me the picture of your mission board and vision statement. Okay, I will ask Aarti Bora now. She will come over. Aarti, are you ready? Okay, Aarti will come. You need to send me on that number. I had shared a number with you. She will share that number with you. Picture of vision board and mission statement with your family. Okay, now I want to bring in Aarti for the final formalities. Aarti, I made you the presenter. Aarti, you're there? This is the number. Okay, since Aarti is not there. Aarti, can you hear me? No problem. Anyways, friends, I think once again, our friends from Mysore Royal City, Junior JCs, Asha ji, Aarti, and our entire team needs a huge round of applause for the amazing work they are doing. I wish you guys all the very best. You people, each one of you who have joined today, thank you so much for being part of this. Okay, as you leave, before leaving, you are supposed to type in a hug over here. We give virtual hug in Sarvatra. Hug, type in hug in the chat box. So I take it as, I love hugging people. So lockdown is there. So make sure you give me a virtual hug before you leave this. Thank you so much. And on behalf of Mysore Royal City, thank you guys. Hope to see you in our next event, whichever is coming next event, which the team will inform you. Love you guys. All the best. Make sure you type in hug over here before you leave and receive my hug in response. Thank you so much. Love you.